All right, let's try it again. Three, two, 1, 0. Hello, everybody. Smyrna Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today is the 15th of May, 2019, at 11:40 in the morning. You see the gate is open, and I'm walking towards the scoot. So we are going to try to ride a little bit today. So we'll see how that's going to go. See if I can get up and get on it here. Good. Not bad. So we're just going to back out here. Go once around the block or two times. See how this hip's going to hold out. And I know I got to get me some petrol. So we're going to take a run around the block here a time or two. See how we do. Ow. How's my other leg? Yeah, I can hold the weight pretty good. So we are going to see how we do. Yeah, got up there pretty good. So we're going to see how it does. No pain, a little bit of soreness up there on the top muscle there, but no pain at all in the hip. Well, that's an old car. Old Ford Fairlane. So everything looks good. Let her go by. Good, good. No pain or anything. Gotta remember how to ride again. I think I can ride. Of course, you're watching that now, but I'm getting the tightness and soreness out of the top of my thigh here, so I need to go ahead and strengthen those muscles before I do any long distance riding per se. Well, what I mean in my condition, a long distance riding is maybe of 2 or 3 miles and then come back home. But dog at the fence. But it feels good. The hip is not hurting at all. So it's just that muscle up there. That is not a good thing, guys and gals. Hope you brush those back toward the inside. Oop, have my blinker on. Got to get in habit of that. But it feels good. I can hold the weight pretty well. Bike is running good. And I can put my leg down with no pain. Cool. I like it. Let's let this car get up and out of the way here. Cool. Swung it up, no pain. All right. I like it. But I know I'm going to have some more strength in that leg and let that ball and socket, where they put the ball on the spike that drives it into the femur. It needs to, for the lack of a better word, cure in there, because the bone is porous and the steak is porous, so it's going to mingle and make it a harder joint. So that feels real good. It's supposed to be really nice tomorrow. I think the rain's moving in on Wednesday. I may try again tomorrow to ride the scoot, but I may just wait and try to build this leg up some more and get those muscles in shape. There's a poochie dog. Hey, poochie dog. And the bike feels good. No bouncing or anything. No thumpity thump thump on there. So it's good. Feels good. I don't know how long I could sit in the saddle right now, but at least I'm out on the bike. It's overcast. It's about 60 here in Smyrna. Guess I should turn my blinker on. I gotta retrain myself again. Go figure. Well, all right, guys and gals, that's about it. The longest journey starts with a single step. So we'll talk at you guys and gals later. This is a Smyrna Cowboy here, pulling in the Hacienda in Smyrna, Tennessee. Turn my blinker off, Dave. Gotta turn my blinker off. And duck walking is no problem. Feels good. Well, now I know I got to get gas because both of them are blinking. So the next run you'll see, the next run I'll do is get gas. So, and the Mother's Day yesterday, me and my son-in-law cooked for my wife and daughter and our granddaughter. Well, that looks like Ashton's writing on the on the concrete. So I'm pulling in here and parking the scoot for hopefully just a little while. Then I shall be back on the road again in the very, very near future. So this is a Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee, in the messy garage. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios.